Hello friends, in this lecture I am going to tell you about compression technique in Hive. We can use compression technique so that whatever output Hive is writing will consume less space. There are few classes that Hadoop provides like Snappy, Gzip2, Gzip. The best are Snappy and Gzip. Let's take a demo about Gzip. The first thing we need to do is to set three properties: Hive execution compress output to true, map reduce output compressed, yes, and what class or what file output class we have to use while compressing, we can mention it here. This value could be one of these 4 5 values. Let's set first these three values. Now let's create a new table. Create table emp underscore compress. I already create this, so I'm not going to create it again. And after that, we need to insert data. Let's insert 25 rows from the emp local to emp compress. So meanwhile, Hive MR job gets complete. It should be clear to you that you just need to set these variables, use one of the classes, and that's it. Write the insert command. When Hive started writing, so this is my Hive location, and at this location, if you see, it's writing .gz files, compressed one. Also, there is another way that when we create a table, we can define in table properties, okay, I want compression of Snappy. So for example, I'm creating a table of format ORC. I can add these table properties as orc.compress equal to Snappy. So these were the two ways by which we can apply compression or codec in Hive tables.